Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove video background using CapCut mobile application. Okay, let's get into it, guys. First thing first, you have to download CapCut application. You can download it from the Google Play Store or Apple Store. And after you have downloaded and installed this application on your mobile phone, you just need to open it and start to create new project. And here I have created a project on my CapCut, so I'm just going to open this project, and I'm going to show you how we can remove the background of this video. If we want to remove the background, we can click on the video like this, and as you can see by the outline, the video is active, the video is selected. Then we can go to the background, remove background, just click on this remove background option, and here you have three features you can use to remove the background of your video. You can use auto removal, custom removal, or chroma key. You can use this chroma key feature if your background is green screen background. It will be easier if you use this chroma key feature. But if your background is like this, you can choose auto removal or custom removal. I'm just going to select this one, auto removal, and the background will be removed automatically. Or if your background is not that clear, you can use the custom removal to remove your background. Once you're done, you just need to click on this check mark, and this is the final result. As you can see, the background is already removed from my video. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove video background using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.